So it's day 3 of riding fixie. I've kind of got used to it. I guess you just need to get a hang of it. I know I'm not wearing a helmet right now, but my helmet is completely dirty. Plus I'm not going too fast. As you can see, I've changed my handle to a drop-down handle. And the brakes are not the right brakes that are supposed to be on a drop-down handlebar. So I'm actually gonna go and pick up the right brake levers right now. I'm headed to Bike India. Now I'm headed to the Giant showroom since that's the closest service center near my house. And the mechanic there does a really good job with bikes.
बात करूं या कैसे करूं? बारिश के बाद से
I don't have black color. I have white color and silver color.
So you can just put Al8.
Aller.
सर मॉडल क्या है आपके बाइक का?